yours. Brand new truck.
Whose truck is this though?
It's yours.
You're lying.
That's how we really came over here.
You're lying.
But Josiah spoiled it.
He thought it's yours.
Why do you think I'm playing?
Girl, bye.
Hey.
Got him. We fucking got him.
Ain't mine though, but it's nice. Ooh, I got the big screen. W. Hey.
No. Now go give your daddy a hug and a kiss.
Girl, this ain't mine.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. I don't believe y'all.
Oh.
How you open it? Oh yeah, I forgot. I forgot Mama said it's a deer is back here.
Oh, it's a deer in my neighbor's yard. Where'd it go? What the heck? Bro. You guys see the deer? Is that a dog? What the heck? Let's see him looking. What the heck? Girl, what you running for?
I don't know, but she said be popping up.
She don't believe that this hers. Boy, yeah. Start, engine start. Press to start.
I don't believe you.
Okay. Let's see how you looking in there. Okay.
Oh, no key is attached. Somebody got the key.
You don't want it to be yours, so somebody else can have it. Go take it for a spin.
Girl, bye.
Ain't that her? I told you. Wow, your mama gonna say, oh, she done pulled off. I guess we'll see you next lifetime.
I just opened my eyes to see another vehicle, that's all.
Bro, that's yours.
Who truck is that? Why you smiling? Why is everybody acting weird?
That's what we came over here for.
For real, why is everybody acting weird? Yep, it's my birthday every day.
Alright, y'all, so we just got her a new truck, you feel me? She don't want to believe it.
I
But
don't believe it, but if they did, thank you so much. Serious,
Yeah.
okay?
spam W in the comments.
Serious.
W in the comments. W says, you know. And she gonna ride out with a new whip.
No. I hope they got on their copy.
The question is, when you gonna get your license?
I'm going to get them bad boys. I got to pay them alright.
It's fine.
Okay.
You said what? Yeah.
That's my friend.
Yeah, bro. That's why we came over here. The Josiah spoiled me. That's why your mama was like, open the garage. Why do you think she said open the garage and she didn't take nothing out of the garage?
Because she said she's opening up the garage for the old school, bro.
No, that's not why. It's right there.
Yeah, don't let me be.
It is what it is. She she don't think she got the truck, so we just gonna take it back, y'all.
Because I'm going to pull up on my man and tell her I'm scooping him for work. No cap, babe. Fill this tank up, babe. You want to go get your daughter tonight? You want to go shopping tonight?
Oh, for real? Look like for Speedy. I don't know. Not a little crazy, but we got content to make. So she outside right now talking about let her see the key. I'm about to try to get the key and continue this, alright? I don't know. Where the key is? You know where the key is right there. You ugly as. You don't even look like you looking at me on the camera.
No, he looks like that.
We gotta go, go get the key. Are you weird? He not trying to give you your car, bro. And he know where it's at. See, live here. I don't. You like my hair? Oh, okay, that's what I thought. Better say it, yeah.
You know first.
He not trying. He the one who know where it's at. He know where it's at. Get her the key. Oh, she playing so much.
What's your favorite?
Oh, I think it's on there, low key. Is it?
No, I got so much truck in his car.
Hey, get me out! Hey, get me out of here! Hey, get me out of here! Hey, get me out of here! Hey,
Stop.
get me out of here!
Say please.
Please.
Zoom in on each and every one.
All right, now you hopping out the whip. Okay. Close the door. Close the door. Yeah. Ooh. You need to close it all the way.
How about?
Lost it. That's my food.
That's his.
It's mine.
Give me that.
It's my food.
It's mine.
It's mine.
It's mine.
Get that to Jay.
Here. Girl, you getting out the car with your low neck.
Shit is hot. Move and get that to Jay.
My water got cold. That
Exactly.
Yeah, that's how my water be. I have to spit it back on.
Well, you going to
No.
Where you going? Y'all do the family. Y'all got some good skit.
You lying for no reason.
Talking about.
Because she said you said that truck
You
was
know
hers.
it. And move. You don't read your messages or nothing.
Hell no, I ain't seen shit.
You would have zoomed in at that moment when she just found out it wasn't her truck. You know, John, Wanda thought it was her truck.
Yeah,
Her facial expression was like, oh shit.
that's why I was just recording.
I need a Fiji water.
Didn't want to get her the key. Irritated. Just messed up my whole prank. I was succeeding so good.
Oh, y'all was doing a prank on y'all should have told me.
Read your message. Read your message.
Oh, I was getting the food, so I didn't look at my phone. You know they just passed the law. You can't pick up your phone, touch your phone, none of that shit.
Yeah.
They just, and you get a point on your license, $100 ticket, and 16 hours community service for the first ticket. The second ticket is $500, 3 points, 24 hour of community service. Your third ticket, your license is suspended for a year.
They doing too much.
Add that in.
Shit, yeah.
You can't touch your phone at all.
At all, not even for.
But you can have your headphones.
Yes.
And it's connected to your
Yes.
your car phone.
They said the best thing to do is have your phone in the
Tinted windows?
holder thing.
Tinted
They ain't
windows.
listen. You don't have tinted windows, they gonna pull your ass off. Give me them. I'll see you on that phone. They gonna catch me.
What you looking for? You mad? It wasn't my idea, sis. I I just went along with it because you went along with it.
I ain't going along with nothing. Like, you really sound fried.
Wait. So she thought that truck was her.
I didn't thought nothing. I was asking everybody who truck it was. Everybody was acting stupid like they was telling me. John said, oh, it's yours. And then this John said, it's yours.
I was like, why you gotta do get the lights? She said, I am. I'm about to get my lights.
Because I am. Where you told any of this?
Well, I still got footage, so.
It still don't matter.
A prank is a prank.
I'm going to get my vehicle anyways.
Oh yeah, that's it.
To say goodbye.
Boy, by you know how many vehicles I done had?
I said you been riding without license. What you talking about? I never said you had a car.
Move. I don't know if he's even gonna eat this shit.
He not, so let me get him. What you doing?
Man, there's all this stuff all over.
Stay for later. We ain't got no food in the refrigerator. You might have to edit that part.
Too late. Too late.
Oh, he is eating this stuff.
Notice I'm eating with my left hand. This don't happen every day.
What?
I am digested. Whatever that shit is.
Bro.
And reject.
He fucking that shit
Pronounce it 'cause I can't even pronounce it.
Okay.
My abs
Tell me what type
hurt.
of milk that is, though, Fine.
Watch this.
What type of milk is that? Remember you just
What
told me?
kind of milk is it?
Cow milk.
It's cow milk? How you know that?
Because I know that all the time.
Such a white boy.
Not funny. Not funny.
Okay, it's cow milk.
Just like
You going on Liddy's house?
And you can come too.
Huh?
You can come too.
Oh, I can? No thanks.
That don't smell good.
You want to taste a piece of my roast beef?
Yeah. This is the egg right here. There you go, Cat. That's how I've been doing all y'all.
Keep that camera out of your face.
Y'all. You got this right there. Y'all, that could be your new YouTube look.
What?
Smack me in.
You see, I ain't turned the camera yet.
Smack you again.
Put the wig on. Take it off when it's funny.
Dude, I
If you
was
do, I'm gonna smack you again.
Here.
Smack you again.
You always got an attitude.
Get that motherfucker phone.
Y'all, before and after.
hit me. Mama,
Before?
bite your
Uh-huh.
Javon already got me on. You better not post that.
I pretend like I got a character. JoJo just got off the dope though.
I'm good at the same thing. I'm good, so.
Mm.
Ugly, dark skin, skinny girl.
Oh, it feel good in here. If you don't want that motherfucking phone broke, you better keep that bitch out my face.
My cousin, don't see kids in here.
This is so
we got
funny,
food,
zooming
girl.
in on you.
Talking about he can't stop eating it. So good, I can't stop eating it.
He be
my
pumping
hat
when he
going?
come over here, but then when he leave, he be all. Finish your life? Finish?
Look at Arnold calling for you now.
Oh, you a whore.
You ready?
I'm having
You
deja
gotta
vu.
change out your clothes.
5, 6, 7, 8.
Oh, baby nuts.
Come here.
Why didn't I just get that?
Keep playing with me. Bye.
baby Lou. You baby Lou. Ah!
You forget I'm big sister.
Ah!
You forgot our big sis? Pull up your short.
I was trying to hit your face. I'm mad.
Bad loop, nothing. Get a zoom in on them toes. Them toes the same. Stop playing with me, sorry. Bust you in your eyeball.
That's a song.
Too bad.
So this is the plan. We go to the park. When y'all want to go to the park?
Well, that's what you're gonna have to do. Ain't my dumb slow stupid. Ain't no, I didn't even. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm high. Sorry, I don't understand exactly. So I don't know why you gave me the bag anyway. You shouldn't gave me nothing. You should have kept it. You wanna keep it is. Well, let it unirritate you. Anything else, Miss Harris?
Yeah, you about to make me punch your ass in your throat. That's what
She is funny, y'all.
I know the fuck you not recording me.
Girl, yes, and been recording your big forehead.
What is wrong with y'all and all this recording shit?
What's wrong with you?
I don't know, girl, but she always cutting up.
Why y'all not telling me where I'm going now? What if I would have
You
Connor.
recorded, huh?
And keep straight across, girl. Got that goofy. Come on, just make this light.
And it's a big old pothole to your
Right, why you want to play?
Careful.
You gonna go right in there and like, oh, my tire. Yeah.
Right there.
Look at that hole. Goofy.
And get over
And
to
get
your
over to
right.
your
I can't
right.
see nothing. You want a big forehead in the way.
I'm telling you, I'm looking for you. Make it right where that
Make it
truck
right with
is
that truck.
turned
Where
at.
that other truck turn. You see it? That's how you see it.
Josh, get that shit out my face.
So it's over. And cut. No, keep straight. Say no, go. Turn and make it right.
I ain't stupid.
She's about to go right into a ditch. Nobody care what your size.
That's all, folks.